Today we will learn how to sketch rib. Okay, let's start. Just I will click this top plane and click sketch, and again click normal. Okay, now see. Now I will sketch a line from this line to this line. Yeah, this line to this line and click OK. Now see. Now I will go to this feature and click this rib. Now see, rib is made. Okay. Rib just go to here and thickness. There are three options. If you want to one side, just click this. Now see, it is this one side. It create it this side. If you want to middle, just click in the middle side. Now see, it is created. It will create in middle side. Again just choose this. You will get this one side. Okay. Now we will create in middle point. Distance, you can change any distance. If you want to 20, you can make it 20. If you want to make 10, you can choose 10. Okay. You can change the direction. Just if you click flip, just click here. Now it is flip, means downward. Okay, just click OK. Now see, our rib is created. Okay, now I will know how to make shell. Just I will shell for this. So now I will go to click this shell and just click shell, which size will shell. I will click this space because I want to make shell in this space. So I will make this 10 mm shell and click just show preview. Now is showing in the inner side will be shell. It is showing. Just we will click OK. Now see, our shell is created. Okay. Now see. Thank you for watching for this lecture.